Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to cover DNA replication. So last week we started a new section, new chapter, 5.3. We discussed DNA and how it's the genetic code, how proteins are made up of amino acids, and the codes to make those proteins comes from DNA. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about how DNA is actually copied. So to simplify things, we're just going to say that DNA replication takes place in 3 steps. Number 1, we have our double helix, okay, our bouncy spring or spiral staircase, however you want to envision your DNA molecule, and it's going to separate or unzip. And then number 2, our nucleotides are going to match up. So we talked about base pairing rules with our nucleotides last week, how A pairs with T and C pairs with G. All tigers can growl. And when we unzip the DNA, each strand is going to act like a template. And from the template, we can make a copy or a duplicate of the original strand. So here's my DNA molecule, okay? I untwisted it, so it's just a ladder. We have our nucleotides in the middle and our sugar phosphates. And so the first step in DNA replication is that it unzips. So to show the unzipping, I'm just going to separate it. And then we have our nucleotides, and these nucleotides are floating around freely, and they are going to match complementary. So C pairs with G, A with T, G with C, A with T, C with G, G with C, T pairs with A, G with C, T with A with T. Okay, so that's one strand, and now I'm going to match complementary to the other template, okay? G with C, T with A, C with G, T with A, G with C, C with G, T with A, C with G, T with A, and A with T. All right, now take a look at these 2 strands. They are exact copies of each other. Look, GC, GC, TA, TA, CG, CG, AT, AT, GC, GC, CG, CG, TA, TA, CG, CG. Whoops, GAs. Whoops. GC, GC, AT, AT, TA, TA. How cool is that? Okay, that's it. That's it for notes, right? So you're going to do the homework questions that are posted on Google Classroom. And also, I think, no, that's it. So it's going to be kind of a relatively short class period today. Other than that, check JMC, get your late work in.